Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be checking out this 2021 Hyundai Elantra Limited. And one thing that I really love about this Elantra is this whole light that is wrapped around the whole back. Now the Limited is the highest trim of the Hyundai Elantra. On the bottom you have this black trim on it, and you have 4 sensors on the back. Elantra is powered by the Smartstream intelligent variable 2.0 liter 4-cylinder engine, and this has a 4-wheel disc brake. And this Elantra produces about 147 horsepower and 132 pound-feet of torque, which is not bad. And this is what the front is like. Here we have this beautiful Hyundai logo, and you come around, you have all these beautiful LED lights. And this is equipped with a 17-inch wheel. This exterior color is called the Quartz white, and this has black interior color. And some of the amazing features that comes with this is that this has a heated side mirror. This Limited comes standard with a power lift gate, so you can actually open it with your key fob, which is really nice. And I must tell you, like, this has really massive storage space. Beautiful rim. One thing that they did is that the side marker is in there, which is really nice. This is the front again. And this is what the engine looks like. This is a direct overhead cam engine. This engine is equipped with dual continuous variable valve timing technology. There you have your battery. Now this engine is called the Smartstream G. This Limited Elantra cost about $26,820, which I think is really good bargain because of all the amazing features that this comes with. And this comes with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, which is compatible. And one place this Elantra really shines is the MPG. Okay, you get about 31 miles to a gallon in the city, 41 miles to a gallon on the highway. Which I am inside the Elantra right now, and the first thing that you are going to notice is this 10.25 inches navigation system with a high resolution touchscreen. The digital display gauge cluster, you also have a 10.25 digital display cluster. Here you have all your media control. You have your navigation, you have your radio, you have media, and you have your climate control there. This has a heated seat, which is really nice. And in the middle you have 2 cup holders, and you have under the armrest you have storage right there. I really love the interior of this 2021 Hyundai Elantra. As you can see, the vent is right there, which is very beautiful. And under here you have vent too, and you have more vent over there. On the steering wheel you have all this control, and over here you have more control. Indoor buttons, like all you do is you just one touch and it can open and close it. So here you have the speakers. Other technology and other features that makes this to be really awesome include proximity key with push start button. This also have hands-free smart trunk release, and you have a dual automatic temperature control. You have a a rear view camera with high resolution guidance, and you also have a single 12-volt outlet and dual USB port. You have electronic parking brakes, you have automatic vehicle hold, you have like this comes with this beautiful leather trim seat, which are very comfortable. And there you have one airbag, and in there you have a wireless charging pad, which is really nice. I love this interior. And up here you have some control up here that helps you in opening your sunroof. Let me show you the rim. Beautiful rim. You come one thing that they did is that the side marker is in there, which is really nice. This is the front again. On the top you have sunroof. And now this limited Elantra cost about $26,820, which I think is really good bargain because of all the amazing features and amenities that this comes with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, which is compatible. Yeah, so what do you think about this 2021 Elantra Limited? I want you to leave your comment in the comment section. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, press the bell notification icon so that when I post more videos like this, you will be among the first to see my video.